Hey, good morning everyone. This is the video for the CTX with the 17-inch coil. We are live. $8.19. Alright, we got the list here. 50 entries. We got Karma on the top. We got Jeffrey on the bottom. You know the rules. 2 dice, 5 or higher. 6 times at 8.19. Let's begin. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 times, we got Bob on the top. We must go 6. Good luck wish at 8.20. 8.20. Last and final roll. Top spot gets his CTX. It's a big win. Congratulations goes to spot 26 Karm. Congratulations, buddy. We are done at 8.20. 8.20. Congratulations again, Karm. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Have a good day. Take care.